Alright, so I hope everyone enjoyed that real quick first part of the video where we went over the pricing and what I was able to get this for. We went over the presentation and the packaging contents and a real quick unboxing. Now, this portion of the video, we're going to get into my overall first impressions with the SoundPEATS Sonic Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Alright, literally all I've done is charge up the charging case and charge up the earbuds. And side note, when you charge up the charging case, it should take you about 2 hours. And when you charge up the earbuds, it should take you about 1.5 hours. Okay? And when the charging case is charging, you'll see a red LED right here. When the charging case is fully charged, that red LED will go off. I'll have B-roll up in the video for y'all to see it. Also, when the earbuds are properly charging, they will light up red, like a reddish orange. And when they're fully charged, that red-orange LED will go off. Okay? I just wanted to show y'all that. I also have B-roll of that as well, if I remember to do it before I wrap up the editing. But I'll also showcase that in the full review as well. That being said, I've literally just charged them up, put everything back in the box, and then push record on this video. So this is truly it. This truly is just my first impressions with these earbuds. Alright? Now, starting off, I gotta say I do like the overall size of the earbuds. It's right in line with something like my Galaxy Buds Plus right here. I definitely like the size. You can see it's a very similar size to the Galaxy Buds Plus. These are one of my favorite earbuds. And you can see the case is kind of similar as well. Not as small or low profile, but very similar. And then also, it is in line with another pair of my favorite earbuds. Let me snatch it out of my pocket here. And y'all already know what I'm about to pull out. My earphone free first generation earbuds right here. Okay? Also, another one of my favorite pairs of earbuds right here. So we're just going to do some quick size comparisons. Let me take these out as well. Now, in terms of casing, the case on the SoundPEATS is definitely smaller than the earphone free. Okay? Definitely, you know, more pocketable. But let's do some real quick comparisons here. Then I'm going to try them on. I'm going to give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Then we're going to wrap the video up. So, again, let's compare it to the Galaxy Buds right here. Right, so you can see, pretty much the same size. Now, the Galaxy Buds, they have the wing tips. The SoundPEATS Sonics don't have the wing tips. But, y'all get the idea. Nice and small, nice and compact. Very nice pair of earbuds right here. Now I put the stickers back on them because I didn't want them accidentally charging and then making the battery uneven. So I put those stickers back on them. You do want to make sure you remove these before you start using the earbuds, and you give them a full charge for the buds and a full charge for the case. But you can see the size of the Galaxy Buds and the SoundPEATS Sonics are very similar. And then let's do the same comparison with the earphone free here. So again, picking it up, you can see the earphone free is definitely a lot bigger, but the style of earbud is very similar. Now these all, well, not all, because the Buds Plus is strictly touch based, but the SoundPEATS Sonic and the earphone free have that physical multifunction button here, and I'm actually a big fan of that. So y'all can see this is what they look like. Let's flip them to the inside. See that right there? And again, I'm sure y'all get tired of seeing this. See that right there as well. Very similar in design, but a very slight difference in size. Really good stuff there. Let me clear these other earbuds off the table real quick. Rush y'all over here. Keep y'all out the way. Okay. But real quick comparison between the SoundPEATS Sonic and two of my other favorite earbuds. Pull this tape up real quick. It's going to distract me. But now, let's get into a real quick fitting and first impressions of the overall fit and feel with the earbuds. And I might as well remove the tape now, because as soon as I'm done recording this part of the video, we're going to jump straight into the review process. So let's try these on real quick. So these are the right. You can see it right there. So they go in your ears just like that. Okay. Let's drop this in. And here we go with the left. And I do like the fact that it's very nicely branded and nicely labeled. And you can see I went with the silver with the rose gold trim kind of deal here. Okay, let's drop the left in now. See how that fits. Okay, so first impressions of the overall fit and feel. These actually fit really, really nicely. Now let's do a quick shake test. Okay, they're not really moving around at all. So very solid fit. Now in terms of the sound isolation, I can barely hear myself talk. So I could say the passive sound cancellation on these is probably going to be really good. And I'm pretty sure that once I start playing some music, that I probably won't be able to hear anything but what I'm listening to. So I look forward to that. And then also, the battery life on these, as y'all saw with the earlier part of the video, is supposed to be really, really good. So I really can't wait to start testing that out as well. But real quickly right now, I'm going to throw up some photos of the profiles like I always do. I took these shots with the Pixel 3 XL. Okay, front-facing 8-megapixel camera in portrait mode. And as y'all can see, I'm going to put them up in the video right now. They have a really, really slim profile from the front, but it is noticeable. And then from the side, it definitely looks good. It sticks out a little bit, but it looks pretty good to me. Let me know what y'all think. So I hope y'all enjoyed those quick photos there. Again, that was taken with the Pixel 3 XL. Okay, and let's take these bad boys out now. Put them back down. So, all in all, first impressions with the SoundPEATS Sonics, I'd have to say, has been really, really good. And honestly, I can't wait to start testing these out and putting these bad boys through my full review process for y'all. Because you know, we're going to cover everything on these. We're going to cover microphone performance. We're going to cover battery life. We're going to cover charge times. We're going to cover everything. And I'm going to bring it to y'all bit by bit. And everything is going to culminate in a full review where I'll go over everything you need to know and share my opinions with you guys and gals as to whether or not these bad boys are worth picking up. So y'all stay tuned for all of my continued coverage. And that pretty much does it for this one. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also, as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick these bad boys up at a really phenomenal price. I think there's a $2 off coupon as of the recording of this video, which is June 11th, okay? So there might still be a $2 coupon when this video drops. I'm not sure, but please check the links down below if you want to get this bad boy at the absolute best price, all right? Okay, and those links that will be down in the video description are affiliate links. So I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel and bringing you guys and gals more content and more coverage on tech. Alright, so as always, it's a win-win for everybody. And y'all get the greatest price at no additional cost. I get that small percentage of kickback so I can keep funding the channel so everybody wins. Alright? So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? This whole video here this evening was recorded using the rear-facing and the front-facing 12 and 8 megapixel cameras on the Pixel 3 XL. This video was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with the stock camera application for the Pixel 3 XL with no external audio hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and keep it respectful, please. Now, I'm not going to put a time frame on this review. I'm just going to drop the videos as I finish them. So y'all stay tuned for the continued coverage. And again, everything will culminate in that full review. Alright? I hope everyone is staying safe out there. Hope you guys and gals are having a great evening. And I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.